If you're seeing a Google Drive error that says the server rejected your request, don't worry. This is usually caused by a temporary browser issue, a connection problem, a file name conflict, or even a permissions or storage limit. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get Google Drive working again as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the fastest fix first. Refresh Google Drive and try the action again. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+R or simply reload the page in your browser. In many cases, the error happens because Google Drive is having a temporary session issue or the request did not go through properly the first time. After refreshing, go back and retry the same upload, open, or edit action. Sometimes that alone is enough to clear the error immediately. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak, unstable, or interrupted connection can easily cause Google Drive requests to fail and get rejected by the server. Make sure you're connected to a stable network and that other websites are loading normally. If needed, switch from Wi-Fi to Ethernet, reconnect to your network, or restart your router. Once your connection is stable, go back to Google Drive and test the action again. Now let's look at the file name, because this is a very common cause of server-rejected errors. If you're uploading or opening a file, rename it and remove any special characters that Google Drive may not like. That includes symbols like less than, greater than, colon, quotation marks, forward slash, backslash, pipe, question mark, and asterisk. These characters can sometimes trigger upload or sync issues. Keep the name simple, short, and clean, then try again. If the file name was the issue, this should fix it right away. If that still doesn't solve it, try another file. Upload or open a different small file and see if that one works. This is a quick way to figure out whether the problem is with Google Drive itself or with the original file. If a different file works normally, then the first file may be corrupted, too large, or otherwise causing the rejection. In that case, you may need to re-export, resave, or replace the original file before trying again. Next, check your permissions, especially if you're working inside a shared folder or a team drive. If you only have view or comment access, Google Drive may reject uploads, edits, or certain actions. You need editor access to make changes in many shared locations. Open the sharing settings or ask the owner to confirm your permissions. If your access is limited, request editor access and then retry the action. Another important thing to check is your Google Drive storage. If your Google account is full, Drive can reject uploads and other file-related actions. Open your Google One or Drive storage details and see how much free space you have left. If your storage is at or near capacity, delete unnecessary files, empty the trash, or upgrade storage if needed. Once you free up space, try the same action again. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. In Google Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and cached images and files, then clear them and restart your browser. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with Google Drive sessions, especially if the page is loading outdated information or corrupted session data. After clearing the cache, sign back into Google Drive and test it again. One more great test is to use Incognito mode. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl+Shift+N to open a private browsing window. Then sign into Google Drive and try the same task there. Incognito mode disables most extensions and uses a cleaner browser session, which makes it perfect for troubleshooting. If Google Drive works in Incognito, then the issue is likely caused by a browser extension, cache data, or a browser setting. If needed, you can also try switching browsers entirely. For example, if you were using Chrome, test Google Drive in Edge, Firefox, or another browser to see whether the same error appears. That can help you narrow down whether the problem is local to your browser or tied to the account or file itself. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for a Google Drive server rejected error are: refresh the page, check your internet, rename the file, try another file, confirm your permissions, check storage space, clear cache and cookies, and test in Incognito mode. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem without needing anything more advanced. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.